Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. With me, Miss Seky. Alright, on this video, I will tell you another text of English for practical use. We call this text as procedure text. And then, what is the procedure text? Well, if you like cooking or making something by following some instructions given, then it means that you know about this text. So, procedure text is a text that describes the steps or processes of how to do and make something. And do you know, according to www.literacyideas.com, there are some common forms of procedure text. And they are: first, recipe; second, instruction; third, direction; fourth, rules for games; fifth, manual; and the sixth one is agenda. But on this video, I will not tell you all of the forms of procedure text, and my focus is only for the recipe and the manual. Now let's talk about the recipe. Recipe is a text that describes how food is completely made or cooked through a sequence of series. And I'm sure that all of you who like cooking very much have many kinds of recipes from various food and drink. Don't you? And how about the manual? It is about the instructions of operating a certain product and commonly relates to the electronic stuffs, like how to operate the coffee maker or your new TV set. The next one is the generic structure of procedure text, and then they are: first, goal or aim. It is the information of what will you do or make. Commonly, we can find the goal in the title of the text. The second one is the ingredients or the materials. Here, all the stuffs, tools, or the equipments are needed in making or doing something. Last is the steps or the methods. You can find all the instructions of the activities that you do one by one from the beginning to the end when you do or make something. There are 6 language features for procedure text, and they are: first, noun is used in the list materials or equipment. The examples are bowl, jar, cable, or camera. The second one is conjunction. It is to show the chronological order. As you can see there, the examples are after, then, while, and before. The third one is the action verbs. It is to describe what someone or something does. The examples are cut, stir, pour, turn off, and many others. The next language features are: fourth, imperatives. It is the commands to ask and tell someone to do something. And then the examples are cut the garlic or enter the correct pin. The fifth one is adverbial. There are adverbial of sequence and adverbial of time. The examples are first, 6, finally, for an hour, or in 3 minutes. And then the last one is tense. We use simple present tense in procedure text. And the examples are mix the chicken broth or wait until it is ready. Alright, This is the example of recipe, which is about how to make homemade candy. For the last slide, we have the example of manual, and it's about how to operate TV set. Remember to like, comment, and share. Bye!